And today can do a cute soldier.
A cute soldier, that's right. And what type of soldier are we drawing?
I can't remember.
It's a royal guard soldier or the king's guard.
Yeah.
And where do we find the king?
Charles.
King Charles, that's right. Where do we find the royal guard?
Buckingham Palace.
That's right, outside Buckingham
King
Palace.
Charles
Good job.
Palace.
Hope you guys will draw along with us. Enjoy the lesson. Are you ready to go?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
First things first, we're gonna draw his eyes. That's right, we're gonna draw two nice round eyes. Okay, let's start. So we're gonna draw a cute big eye there. You can draw a little bit bigger than that. Or you can keep them small if you want. Cute eyes. Okay, cool. And then we can do our highlights inside. If we're going too fast, you can pause the video and catch up to us. Because Summer draws so quick because you practice so much. Yeah. Okay, but we're not going to be rushing. We're going to take our time and enjoy our drawing. Now we're going to draw a cute little mouth, and it's a smiley soldier. So draw your smile in between your eyes. Just like that. Good job. Yeah, I like your smile, really good. Now we're going to draw the top of his helmet. And what's his helmet called?
A bearskin.
A bearskin, that's right.
to be
That's the big,
touched.
tall, black helmet. Yeah, we're going to
Eyes.
touching just the top of our eyes. So it starts there, goes round, and comes down. Great job. And then we're going to draw two little lines from the edge, and that comes down a little bit here, down a little bit here, just to the bottom of the eyes. Good job. Awesome. And now...
We're going to curve it with a little curve.
Yeah, but before we curve it, we're just going to draw the top of his helmet. And to do that, we're going to draw a little line that comes out from the bottom.
Right.
That's his helmet. So we can draw his bearskin. His bearskin helmet. And then these lines will come up like that. And same on the other side, like that.
Like that. Like that.
Great, and then we can join them with a nice rounded semicircle up top.
Mine is ginormous.
That's good because they are ginormous helmets. Wow, look at that one. Really good job. Okay, now we're going to draw the bottom of his chin. So we're going to...
curve.
Yep, we're going to curve it all the way down under his mouth and join it on the other side.
I'm ready, done.
Wow, look at that. You're so fast. You look like you're in a hurry today. Cool. Oops, I didn't do it too good, but that's okay. We can make mistakes. We're having fun, right? All right, let's draw his uniform now. And we're going to draw two straight lines. Well, that stick out a little bit.
Here, did
Come, yeah, from there out to about there. And then from this side to about here. Yeah, we can use reference points because it makes it a little bit easier for us to draw, doesn't it? Okay, then we can draw a line from the middle coming straight down, and then you're going to stop about here. Good job. And at the bottom of that line, we're going to draw a small little square, and this is going to be his
belt.
Belt, that's right. Great, good job. Nice square there. And now you can draw a line from here, join to the top of his square, and then the same on the other side. Good job. Now I'm gonna just make that a little bit longer there. And then this is the same one, and this is the bottom of his belt. Wait, you can draw from over there because you want to make the belt the same size. Good job, I like it. And then you can, yeah, that's all right. You can join the line there. Good belt, I like that one. Now we are gonna draw his cute little arms.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go from here.
Cute.
Just stick out a little bit on either side. So from here, not too long. Good job.
Ours don't stick out from our...
Yeah, it's because he's so cute and short.
Yes,
That's all right.
Crazy.
Okay, so we're gonna draw a line, and then that's for the end of his sleeves. So from next to his belt, we go up to that sleeve.
Then we're gonna draw the hand like it was the Elsa.
Yeah, but we're gonna actually draw his bottom part of his sleeve, and that's gonna be black because his soldier uniform has black little cuffs. Good job. And then now we're gonna draw at the bottom of his belt, and that's his coat, sticking out a little bit, just a little bit. Yep. Good job. And now we can do a curved line at the bottom, and you want to try to follow the bottom of your belt. You want to try to keep the distance the same.
Here.
Yep, that's it. All the way across. You can pick up your pen if you need to, that's good. Good drawing. And then we can draw a line to finish off his coat. Looking so cute. All right, let's draw his buttons. Let's draw little buttons. One little button, two little buttons.
I'm going to do 3.
Oh, you can do 3. And then let's draw his legs now.
Yeah.
So his legs are going to come down just from the inside of his, well, from there and this side, from there. And we're going to draw 2 little legs, well, 2 lines first, and they come down and come inwards a little bit.
Yeah.
So it's going to look something like this. It's going to go down there and then down there. Good job, I like it.
This is some layer thing.
Yeah, and then we're going to draw a small little curve on that side and a small little curve on this side. Good job. And then we're going to go up just a little bit and a little bit on that side. Good job. And then we can just join for the bottom of his pants. Good job. Now we're going to draw his little boots, his little black boots. So it's going to curve like a K. And the other side curve like a K as well, like the letter C. A little bit more on the edge. Look where mine starts, on the edge of his pants. There we go. And then we can draw a little line at the bottom, little line at the bottom, and then we can join it up back to his pants. Good job. And now we got to draw his hands. We're missing his hands. And so we can draw a little rounded K on either side. Good job. And like that. How cute are little soldiers? How cute are they? What do you think?
Super cute.
Super cute. Right, we're gonna color.
Which one are you going to?
We're gonna fast forward through our coloring, but if we're going too fast for you, you can always pause the video to catch up. So there are our cute little soldiers, Summer. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it. I really like your soldier. You did so good. Your coloring is so nice. And it's the perfect colors for our King's Guard. Yeah? Did you have fun? High five. Good job.
I wonder if draw control.
Maybe next time. Thanks for drawing along with us. Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
We can say bye to everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.